Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the format of your text that you want to send via your email on the Microsoft Outlook application, how to make your text bold, how to italicize it, strike through it, and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the email button, which is the first option. Click on the plus icon in the right side corner down below. Select the person to whom you want to forward your message. Type in the subject and then type in the text body. After that, click on this A and pen icon in the middle of the screen. Here you can select the whether you would like it to be a title. You can select the subheading and the body of the text. You can make it bold by tapping on the B icon. You can italicize it and underline it. As you can see, you can add bullet points, you can add numbers to it, and you can also insert a link by tapping on this last icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.